I hope everybody is doing great. So guys, if you can hear me and if you can see me, then give me a thumbs up in the chat quickly so that we can get started with this amazing session on your continuity and differentiability. So guys, are you all doing great? Hello Achyut, welcome man. So nice to see you. We have Tejaswini as well. So guys, today's session we will be looking at the JEE Sprint of continuity and differentiability, and like I said, we will be looking at some of the best questions which have come in the recent years. I'm doing great, Tejaswini. Thank you for asking. So before we dive into the session, I will quickly introduce myself for all those students who are watching this for the very first time. So guys, my name is Shimon Joseph and I teach math at Vedantu. And to talk about my background, I did my BTech from IIT Madras. And when I was like you guys, I too prepared for exams like KVPY and your JEE Mains, and I have cleared both of them. To talk about my teaching career, so I have been teaching for almost 7 years, and over these years I have come across so many wonderful students, and some of them have gone into IITs, some of them have gone into NITs, BITS Pilanis and so on. And I'm sure you guys also have such plans. You want to get into a good college, and that is why you are here, and we are going to have a great time together. So shall we begin? Hi Sriram, welcome man. Hello Hariharan. Hariharan, once KVPY is over, we will start off with our hyperbola discussion as well. That is awesome, Tejaswini. That's such a great goal. I hope you will achieve it, and we will do our best to help you with that. Hello, Deepa Ganeshan, Jayavira Kumar. That is awesome, Jayavira Kumar. I am sure with the right amount of hard work, you will get it. Vaibhavi, welcome. Samiksha, very nice to see you. Naga Shri Hari, great. So nice to see all of you wonderful people. Yes, Hariharan, even VIT is a great institute, especially the computer science at Vellore is very good. VIT Vellore is good, and especially computer science department is said to be one of the best. Yes, Sriram, no man, of course not. That will be such a big age difference, right? So Chirag Jain is one of my students whom I mentored in 2019. He is currently in IIT Delhi. Which is better, IIT Madras or IIT Bombay? So guys, ranking wise Madras is better, but students prefer Bombay because they get to experience the lifestyle of Mumbai. So if you are interested in that, then that is great. And also the placements at Bombay is also pretty good. You get very good companies coming from the west. So Bombay is closer, right? So a lot of companies from the west come to Bombay. So you can weigh your options. It depends on what you want. Hello Garv Jajaria, welcome man. Umar Farooq. Yes, Jayavira Kumar, it is, but of course I would prefer VIT Vellore. Hello Kirito, welcome. I was missing you. Finally you are here. So guys, shall we get started? Let's have this debate which IIT is better later on, because first we need to get qualified for JEE Mains, and only then we can write advanced. Okay, so let's see how to do that, and this session might help you with that. So this is the weekly schedule. How many of you are excited for this week? Look at what I have in store for you. Tomorrow we have KVPY essay, because your KVPY exam is round the corner. Your KVPY exam is just 4 days away. So I wanted to help you with that. And we have the marathon. And what marathon this is? This marathon is for mathematical reasoning. I'm sure everybody knows that this year JEE Mains is full syllabus. So you have mathematical reasoning, statistics, and you need to do these topics because you get one question from them. So that is why I'm going to help you with this topic by finishing it off in one class. In just one marathon session, I'm going to finish it. So please make sure you attend this. This 9 o'clock session is going to be very, very interesting. It is going to be lit. So on Friday, we have KVPY essay again. And on Friday night, again, we have a KVPY session. So Friday 2 KVPY session. At 4 o'clock, I'll teach you commercials and also clock based questions, because that is also a category of questions which come in KVPY for the 11th standard students. So I'm going to take care of that for you. And for the 12th standard guys, I'm going to help you with coordinate geometry, because that is also going to come in your KVPY SX. And on Saturday, I have a super special session. It is last minute strategy for KVPY coming from my experience. Guys, I have written KVPY essay and I cleared the aptitude test. I have written KVPY SX and I've cleared both the aptitude test as well as the interview. So I have loads of experience to share with you, and I'm going to do that just one day before the exam, which is on Saturday. Okay? So make sure you guys are noting it down and you guys are being a part of these wonderful classes. So shall we move forward? Yes, they will, Sriram. Yes. Today's class will be till 12 o'clock, Veer Shah. So people, let's get started. Hello, Velumani. Yes, Velumani. Tell me what's up. So guys, the last chance to get enrolled in the crash course. So JEE crash course, you know that JEE is just a month away. But this crash course will continue beyond the first attempt. We will teach you beyond the first attempt. So in case you are looking for a crash course which will help you cover the important syllabus, and it gives you test series and it gives you doubt solving with experts from morning 8 o'clock till night 11 o'clock, then you can check out this crash course and I will be teaching in it. In case you feel you want to join it, do so, because right now the price has been reduced even beyond measure. I really honestly cannot understand how it can be so low, but guys, this is a steal. This is a good deal and I feel you guys can grab it while it lasts, because right now it's for 7,000 and you should use this coupon code so that you get it at that price. Okay, like I said, it's a limited time offer. It won't be there for long, because guys, JEE crash course is one of the best selling courses in Vedantu, and I'm sure you're all aware of the results in Vedantu, right? We had almost more than 30 to 40 99 percentilers from our crash courses alone. So if you want to aim for a 99 percentile from the crash course, it is going to be really doable target. Okay, so if you feel you want to be there, then go for it right now, because the batches are starting tomorrow. The classes start tomorrow. So this session is your last chance to get enrolled. So Jayaveera Kumar was in contact with me. So he spoke to me and he got enrolled. I'm so happy that he's going to have a great time. In case others are planning to, you can reach out to me if you have any doubt. I gave you my Instagram ID as well. If you have any doubt, you can talk to me, ask your doubts and then join it. Okay? Okay, Kirido. Hello, Venisha. Venisha, welcome. So nice to see you. I would definitely go for NIFT Bombay. So that is a no-brainer. Samiksha, I would say NIFT Bombay is better. So you can check it out. Because, see, I'm not aware of the rankings of NIFT, but I'll tell you why. Bombay has a lot of design contacts. Your exposure at Bombay will be very high. So for that reason, I will go for NIFT Bombay no matter what. Understood? So let's come back to topic. Hello Megatronics. Hello Shakti Aishwarya. You're not late. You're on time, because we are just going to get started. Yes, Tarun Balaji. Of course we will. Why Madras got more rank than Bombay? I will tell you that later in another session. But for now, let's get started, guys. If you're new to the channel, if you're seeing me for the first time, then first subscribe, because you are in for a great experience at Enthuse and at Vedantu. Okay, so make sure you guys are all a part of this big journey of us, and I want you to support us by subscribing. And if you really love us a lot, then share it through your friends and through social media, any other platform that you can think of, because that would make us really excited and motivated to come out with better content for you. Okay, and do like the video in case you enjoy it. So let's get started. People, are you ready to make some notes? So usually people ask, make some noise, but now at 12 o'clock we are going to make some notes. So I hope you guys are ready. Very good. Venisha, yes, I'll make sure that it's worth it. So please do attend it without fail. Yup. Here we go. The first question itself is a brilliant one. I want everybody to try it out. Okay, all of you try it out. Please do that. Okay, Samiksha. Samiksha, I am not very sure about the ranking, but if you ask me, the exposure at Bombay will be definitely better. Definitely better. Okay, so for that reason alone, I will prefer NIFT Bombay. It's just my opinion. You can consult your brother because he's in this field itself. He might know better. But if you ask me, I would say go for NIFT Bombay. Hello Ganesh Babu, welcome man. Deepa Ganeshan. Yes, you're ready. Great. So guys, please solve it. This is a recent year paper, 2020. So I'm sure this is the level you have to prepare for. So please try and crack it. Have some method ready. I want all of you to take your pen and notebook out. You have to solve it and see if you are able to get to a good level. Your approach has to be good. That is what I'm trying to check. Jayavira Kumar, it depends on your percentile, okay, your category and all that. For general category, I would say anything about 95 is a decent percentile. Vaibhavi is saying, hey, I'm doing great, Bharani. So nice to see you after a long time. I hope you are doing great. I hope the crash course is helping you improve. Very good, Tejaswini. That is awesome. Viknesh Shelva is also saying D. Let's check it. I think Tejaswini is right. Vaibhavi, can you please check your answer? Because I also feel Tejaswini and Vignesh are right. Very good, guys. Tarun, please check it. That is absolutely correct. Shriram, you are also right. Good job, guys. Garv is also right. Deepa Ganeshan is also right. Brilliant stuff, guys. So let's try to solve it. What do you have? You have max function. Max of x comma x square. So first, guys, I will draw a y equal to x function. So y equal to x will look like this. Very easy. Everybody knows that. Guys, everybody knows that this is y equal to x function. I'm sure everybody can do that who is in 11th and who is in 12th. Both of you guys should be very comfortable. No doubt over here. Yes, people, are you all with me? Very good. That is amazing, guys. That's exactly what I want. Now, what is x square? This is y equal to x. I have drawn it. But what is x square? X square is going to look like u, which is nothing but an upward opening parabola. I'm sure everybody is aware of it. And they both meet at x equal to 1. And this is under. So now, what is meant by maximum, sir? In my school, they didn't teach us. We don't know what is maximum. Can you please let us know? I didn't even know that it is needed for JEE Mains. But can you explain? Yes, of course, I'm going to explain it to you. So please listen carefully. Hello, Harshavardhini, welcome. Sorry, sir, but it's Garv. I really have no idea how to pronounce it, man. But if you have any other better name, shorter one, tell me, I'll call that. Okay. Is Garv correct? Garv. Garv. Is that right? Okay. Shreya, welcome, Shreya. Great to see you. So please let me know what is the exact pronunciation so that I can call you the right way. Perfect. So guys, what does maximum mean? I will tell you, listen very carefully. Maximum means I have to choose the greater of the two. What should I do? I have to choose the greater of the two for that particular value of x. So if you take the negative x value, everywhere you see, don't you think x square is greater than x? Because y equal to x is over here, but x square is on top. So x square is the greater function. So the black color line is the maximum value till 0. But after 0, if you look at it after 0, y equal to x is greater. Because x square comes below y equal to x. X square comes below y equal to x. Can you see that? But after one again, this will go up. Are you all clear? Because after 1, x square is greater than y equal to x. So that is what maximum does. So maximum will choose what is greater for that particular interval. Are you all able to understand that? So this black color graph is my answer. So I want to check where it is not differentiable. Non-differentiable means sharp edges. Sharp edges. So I have one sharp edge over here. I have one more sharp edge over here. So the answer is 0 and 1 because I have one sharp edge at 0. I have another sharp edge at 1. Are you all clear? Did you all like it? Hello Priyanshi Sharma, welcome. Very nice to see you. Great to have you guys here. So people, if you have understood it, give me a thumbs up. This was a very interesting question. I hope you all liked it. Now, from now onwards, you should not have a problem dealing with maths questions. Okay? So shall we proceed, people? Can you all give me a yes or a yo quickly? Hello Abhijit, welcome man. Exactly Venisha, of course you need to be good at it. Optus, please pull the video back and then check it. I'm sure you will be able to follow. Great Bharani, that is awesome man. So Bharani is enjoying the crash course. That is really great. How 1 comes? Because Jasim, if you draw the graph exactly, you will see a sharp edge over here. Whenever you have a sharp edge, those points are said to be non-differentiable. Whenever you have a sharp edge, those points are said to be non-differentiable. Hello Madhavi, welcome. So nice to see you. Did you understand it, Samiksha? So first I drew the graph of max of both of them and then I figured out where I have sharp edges. So let me show you the exact graph. So this is the exact graph. You can see that this is y equal to x square and this is y equal to x. And what is the graph of max function? The graph of max function is given over here. Let me draw it in red color so that you guys understand. So this is the graph of max function. I will just trace it. Okay, so that you guys understand. So can you see there is a sharp edge at 0? And can you see there is a sharp edge at 1? How 1 means you have to solve both of them. X square equal to x. That is where they meet, na? That is where they meet. So if I put x square equal to x, I will get x equal to 0 or 1. So they meet at 0 or 1. That is why I check at those 2 points. Does that make sense to everybody? Sharp edge means like this. This is a sharp edge. Because when you have a sharp edge, that point is said to be non-differentiable. Because you have 2 slopes of tangent at a single point. That is not possible. You should have a unique slope of tangent and only then you call it to be a differentiable function. Are you all clear? Ajo, I have already explained it twice, man. Please pull the video back and then watch it so that we can cover more questions. Okay, I hope that is fair because I've already done it twice and it will take a lot of time. Okay, chalo. So let's move forward to the next question which I have for you right on your screen. Guys, this is a good question. This is a good question. Very good, Kabilan. Yes, Bharani. Of course we will. Take care and all the best. Do well. So guys, this is the next question for all of you. Please try to solve it. Everybody. What is the topic for essay KVPY? Tomorrow the topic is clock and commercial. Clock means time-based questions. The minute hand and hour hand, how they move. So those kind of questions are common for KVPY essay. So I will teach you how to handle that. So if you are a KVPY essay aspirant, then tomorrow's 4 o'clock session is very important for you. Hello Arpita, welcome. I'm doing great, Arpita. Great to see you back again. Yes, yes, let's check it, guys. Dropping a year, I would not recommend it right now. First try to write the exam, do well in that, and then we will try to look at what options we have. Right now, please don't think about dropping. That is not correct. Yes, yes, yes. Jayveer Kumar, I'll tell you that later, man. I have to check it. Madhavi is saying A. Tejaswini is saying A. Guys, what is the answer? What is the answer? Please think about it. Can you all please let me know what do you think is the right one? Everybody? Are you all sure? All of you? Okay, so let's check it. Let us draw the graph of tan inverse of x. So guys, when I say let me draw the graph, guys, it's going to be slightly difficult for me to draw, so please pay attention. So mod x is less than 1 means x lies between -1 to 1. Do you all agree? So from -1 to +1, the graph is going to be what? Pi by 4 plus tan inverse of x. Tan inverse of x at -1 will be minus pi by 4. So since I add plus pi by 4, it will be 0. At 0, tan inverse of 0 will be 0 and it will be pi by 4. And at 1, it will be pi by 4. Tan inverse of 1 will be pi by 4. Pi by 4 plus pi by 4 will be pi by 2. So at 1, it will be pi by 2. At 0, it will be pi by 4. So the graph will be like this. Is that clear? I'm sorry. 1 second, guys. That is not the exact trend how it looks like. It should be the other way. Okay, so the graph will be at 1 it will be pi by 4. So it will be like this. 1 second. See, the graph of tan x will be like this. So I want to do the same behavior. 1 second, guys. Yeah. Like this. Are you all clear with that? All of you? Yes, people, please tell me, are you all able to follow? Is that correct? Is the graph which I drew correct? Guys, how many of you know the graph of tan inverse of x? Let me help you with the graph of tan inverse of x. So do you all understand tan inverse of x graph will look like this? Do you all understand that tan inverse of x graph will be like this? So what I drew before is actually not the right approach. Got it? So you need to raise this by pi by 4. You need to increase this by pi by 4. So when you add a constant, you have to lift the graph upwards by pi by 4 units. So if the same graph I lift it upwards by pi by 4 units, what will happen? It will become like this. Isn't it? So now I need to check from -1 to +1. That's it. Over. That is going to be my graph and I'll remove my lower portion. That's it. So are you all clear now? Is that fine? Now I can remove this portion as well. And I can remove this portion as well. Everybody clear? So this is the graph which I want. Are you all able to understand? As simple as that. Now I want to plot mod x minus 1 for x greater than 1 and with a by 2 outside. So for x greater than 1 means x is greater than 1 or x is less than -1. So if x is greater than 1, it will be x minus 1 by 2. So that graph will be like this. That is x minus 1 by 2. And if x is lesser than -1, it will be minus x minus 1 by 2. Minus x minus 1 by 2 will look like this. So this is my final graph. Did you all like it? Was it difficult? Did you all like it? Very simple, na? Very, very simple. So this is my graph. Now tell me where it is continuous. It is continuous everywhere except one. See, you have a breakage here. So at 1 we have a discontinuity. So only 1 we have a discontinuity. Everywhere else it is continuous. Differentiable. It is differentiable everywhere except at which point? At this point, because there is a sharp edge. There is a sharp edge. And it is not differentiable over here. Why is it not differentiable? Because it is not continuous itself. How can you talk about differentiability? When it is not continuous itself, how can you talk about differentiability? So that is why it is not differentiable at these 2 points. And hence option D is the right answer for this question. I hope you guys liked it. Did you all understand it? But the graph could extend. Why it could extend, man? We have to draw it only between -1 to 1. Achyut. Only for -1 to 1, pi by 4 plus tan inverse of x. For the other interval, it is going to be mod x minus 1 by 2. Are you clear? The two curves meet. It is not continuous. Where are they meeting at 1, man? At 1 they have a discontinuity, right? Look at this. This is a big jump. So that is why it is discontinuous. Got it? Okay. Are you all able to understand that? Very good. Very good. So Ajo, the answer for this question is option D. I hope you understood it. Okay? Because it is not differentiable at -1 also. Clear? If you don't get graph, you have to go by theoretical steps. But that will be difficult, man. That will be difficult to do it. Because that will take a lot of time. So if you want to go by theoretical step, what you can do is, you have to write it like this. So for x less than -1, it is -x minus 1 by 2. For x greater than -1, less than 1, right? So that will be pi by 4 plus tan inverse of x. And for x greater than 1, it will be x plus 1 by 2. So this is f of x. Now you can find f dash of x and you can do it. This is very simple now. This is very simple now. Did you guys get that? Are you all able to understand it now? Optus, this is how you solve it in a theoretical way. But graph is much faster and quicker. Theoretical way will always take a lot of time. Graph is what I prefer, and guys, the graph was very simple. The reason I took time to draw is because I was trying to get the behavior correct. I could have simply drawn it and told you this is correct, and you would have also agreed. Most of you would have agreed. Most of you said yes also. Because I drew the graph roughly correct. But the behavior is very important, guys. You can't just accept whatever I say. You have to cross question. You should not blindly take what anybody teaches online. Okay. So the behavior of tan inverse of x, this graph will look like this. So this is how the behavior is. So I need to maintain the behavior, right? So that is what I was trying to do. That is why I took 3-4 times. It is not a tough graph. It is a very easy graph. Does this look very difficult? It's a very simple graph. I just took time because I wanted to get the behavior correct. So if you see between -1 to +1, the graph looks like this, na? That behavior I wanted to be perfect. I didn't want to just simply give you something. Understood? Perfect. Definitely Optus. I would any day say that. Exactly. Exactly. Okay. So guys, shall we move forward? Achyut, I want you to draw that. Think about it and then draw it. So shall we move forward? Pramesh, yes Pramesh, tell me what is your doubt. I'll try to clarify it for you. So did you see that? This is the actual graph. You see how close I drew to this? I almost drew the same graph, right? I almost drew the same graph. I almost drew the same graph just by freehand. So that comes with experience. That comes with, solving a lot of questions. You look at it. So Achyut, do you now agree that it is discontinuous over here because you see a jump, and it is going to be non-differentiable here because you have a sharp edge? Whenever you have a sharp edge on a graph, you are going to have non-differentiable points. And this jump is going to make it discontinuous. And whenever it is discontinuous, it is going to be non-differentiable also. Whenever it is discontinuous, it is going to be non-differentiable. Are you all clear with it? Yes, definitely Jayavira Kumar. Graph is so important and I really want to take one session on it. So now try to solve this. Again guys, this is a graph based question. Look at the number of graph based questions in your JEE Mains 2020. So many questions have come from graph and this clearly tells that you need to be prepared for anything. You cannot say, sir, this graph is difficult, that graph is difficult, I don't know this graph. Then your life is going to be difficult. That's it. As simple as that. Because in exam, you will take more time than others. And that's obviously going to affect your result. So you have to be careful. Yes, Asmi, right now I'm taking limits and I'm almost done with it. The next micro course, I'll have to check what I'm doing. Most probably, I think it might be permutation and combination. I will confirm it and I'll let you know. Pramesh, you'll have to check with the last year data, man. I'm not very sure. I think it should be around 95 percentile. It should be around 95 percentile. Yes, Asmi, why not? Of course you can. Yes, Venisha, trigonometry is pakka required in 12th. You have to study. Okay, so don't worry, I'll take it in the month of Feb in our channel. So before your 12th starts, we will do it in this channel so that you will be ready for it. Very good, Achyut, Tejaswini, Garv, I hope I pronounced it right, and Jasim. Yes, Jasim, I will do that. Yes, Kriti, that is also very important, but that is in integration, Kriti. Juganta, the most important chapters of 12th, I would say matrices, determinants, very important. You get good number of questions and entire calculus is important. Okay, so these are the high weightage areas. So you need to cover this first. Great. Okay. So it has to come from within, I think, man. Ajo, it is interesting if you really enjoy the process. It should not be forced on you. So if you really enjoy the process, you will find it interesting. If not, take some time. Just watch and try to learn things on your own. Slowly you will start liking it. Very good, Madhavi. Guys, all of you are right and you guys are awesome. You guys are awesome because you are all absolutely correct. And 3 is the right answer. And guys, someone was telling graph transformation is so difficult. Guys, this question is only graph transformation. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to solve it. So please listen carefully. Okay, guys, OBC percentile, general category percentile, EWS, all that. Guys, I'm not a computer. Please check it online. Google it. The same comment, take it, Google it, you will get it. Okay, so Google is better than me. I accept defeat to Google, but please try to focus on the session. Right now, when I'm teaching, focus on what is being taught. No cross talks. Okay? Exactly. So please listen carefully. Watch how I'm doing it because you guys will be impressed. You guys will definitely be impressed because it's going to be awesome. So first, my dear friends, I'm gonna draw mod x graph. So how does mod x graph look like? It looks like this. Are you all clear? Yes, everybody? Achyut, listen. I want you to pay attention. Got it? Everybody? So that's the first step. Now everybody will be asking, sir, how did you write mod x, sir? No mod x is given. What are you seeing, sir? Wait a minute, I'll come to that. I'm teaching you graph transformation. You guys asked me to teach transformations. I'm teaching you. So please pay attention. The second step is, I'm going to convert mod x to mod x minus 3. So this change is what I call as, from f of x, I'm changing it to f of x minus 3. So when you change from f of x to f of x minus 3, you shift the graph to the right side by 3 units. you shift the graph to the right side by 3 units. So whenever you subtract something, you shift it to the right. That's how it works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this. Okay. And I'm going to shift it to the right side by 3 units. So now the graph will look like this. Do you all agree? Do you all agree? That is my second step. Now slowly you see that we are nearing our answer. The third step is I'm going to convert it to minus of mod x minus 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm changing here from f of x to f of minus of f of x. So whenever you do negation from here to here, I'm negating now. So that's why if this is f of x, this is minus of f of x. Whenever you are negating, you need to do ulta. The graph has to reflect about y-axis. I'm sorry, x-axis. Okay. You have to just ulta the graph with respect to your x-axis. So the same graph will now become ulta. It will look like what? It will look like this. Are you all clear? Everybody? Everybody able to follow? Now next step is what? Add 2. Next step is add 2. So whenever you add something to a function, you lift the graph by that many units. So this is nothing but f of x to f of x plus 2. So whenever you add a constant to a function, you raise it by that amount. So at 0 this will be what? At 0 this will be minus 1. Now it will become plus 1. So the graph will now look like this. Are you all clear with it? After I add 2, are you all clear with it? Everybody. After I add 2, this is how it will look like. Now I'm going to put modulus of the whole thing. So when I take modulus, what will happen? All the negative region will become positive. It will become ulta. All the negative region will become positive and the negative will go away. Because what does modulus do? Modulus makes your things positive. That's it. We are here with the graph and we are done with the question. We are done with the question, my friends. That's it. So what are the points of non-differentiability? 1, 2 and 3. But now you can ask me, sir, what is this point? How do you find it out? One way is to track the graph step by step. Other way is, you know, at this point the value is 0, right? So you put this is 0. If this is 0, that means 2 minus mod x minus 3 is 0. That means mod x minus 3 is 2. That means x is equal to what? X is equal to 1 or x is equal to 5. So this should be 1, this should be 5. And that's it, over. Are you all cool with that, people? So that is how it works. Everybody? Yes. So that is how it works. I hope you all liked it. Now people, did you all understand this? So what are the points? What are the points at which it is non-differentiable? It is 1, 3, 5. Did you all understand that? Did you all understand that the non-differentiable points are 1, 3, 5? Everybody cool with it? All of you? Yes? Perfect, perfect, perfect. So do you agree that this x belongs to 1, 3, 5? So can I say the summation is f of 1 plus f of 3 plus f of 5? Who asked you to find out f of x? What are you guys even thinking? Who asked you to find f of x? That's not needed. Just find f of 1. What is f of 1? F of 1 is 0. What is f of 3? F of 3 is 2. What is f of 5? F of 5 is also 0. So if I put 0, what is f of 0? f of 0 is 1. If I put 2, f of 2 is 1. If I put 0, again I get 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. And that, my friends, is the answer. Yes, Albert Einstein, that doesn't matter. That's what I told you. I got the graph correct. Okay. Are you all clear? Everybody? Opters, I will help you understand. Please listen. Guys, did you all like the way I solved it? Ajo Saran. Very good, Ajo Saran. Brilliant. I'm so happy that you have got it. So let me explain the other doubts. So people are asking, sir, you did f of x minus 3. You said it will shift rightward. You said shift rightward by 3 units. That is the transformation. Yes, I agree, sir. You are right. So whenever I shift from f of x to f of x minus 3, I have to shift rightward by 3 units. But sir, if I do f of x to f of x plus 2, then what should we do? So since I am subtracting here, I am shifting right. Since I am adding here, shouldn't it be shift leftwards? Wrong. I am subtracting 3 inside the bracket. That is the argument which goes inside the function. But here I have 2 outside, na? So that's different. So this is adding a constant to a function. This is adding a constant to a function. So here you will add, you will shift it upwards. Shift up by 2 units. Did you get it now? So now if you ask me, sir, f of x to f of x plus 3, then what to do? Then shift right. I'm sorry, shift left. Shift left by 3 units. Did you understand now? Is that clear? If you do x plus 3 inside the argument, then you shift left. Did you all understand it now? Junaid, Pramesh, Albert Einstein, Ajo, everybody clear with it? Optus? Very good, Optus. That's awesome. I'm so happy that you understood it. Now, let's move forward because we have a lot to cover, people. So this is how the exact graph looks like. So I drew my y-axis wrong, so you guys can check it. Okay, but the behavior is same, exactly like what I drew. So shall we move forward? Adding a constant to the function will shift it up. Yes. Overall function, it will shift it up. Adding a constant to x will shift it right or left, depending on whether the constant is negative or positive. Okay. Yes, Raja Siddharth, we will do it. Definitely, Raja Siddharth, we will try to discuss the KVPY papers so that you guys can check how much you are scoring. Okay. Very good. So here we go, people. This is an amazing question. Everybody, please try to solve it. Yes, Samiksha, take care and all the best for your NIF preparation. I hope you get into your dream college. Yes, these are very good sessions. I hope you guys are understanding the beautiful concepts that are being discussed. And guys, please make notes. These are all very good questions, and the reason I'm saying that again and again is because they're all JEE Mains questions. I'm not giving you something of my own. I'm taking it right from the previous year's papers so that you know you have to be ready for this. These come in the exam. Whenever something comes in the exam, you have to be prepared for it, no matter what. Okay? Yes, Ashmi, take care. Very good night. Others, have you all done it? Guys, come on. I want to know what is the answer for this question. So, whenever you have f of g to be the identity function, what is this? That is not fog. It is not fog, the spray which you use. A lot of fog advertisements keep coming, right? How many of you have seen fog advertisements? Okay, thank you, Samiksha. Okay, Junaid knows it, I think. Junaid is the first one to respond. Yes, Venisha, I will not, pakka. Okay, I will not I'll try to be regular. Okay. Kirito did understand. Oh, Junaid has fog. Okay. So guys, here it's not fog, it is f of g. F of g of x. So it is called as composition of function. And that is equal to identity function. What is identity function? Identity function is your x. That's it. So this is the information which you have in your hand. You have this piece of information in your hand, and using this info, you need to solve it. Tejaswini is absolutely right. Very good SL. SL is also right. Rohana Nelikondi, no problem. Welcome. I am so happy that you have come here. So try to solve it, Rohana. Juganta is also right. Very good, Juganta. SL is also right. Very good, SL. So happy that you got it. So guys, SL is absolutely right. You just need to differentiate it. So if you differentiate it, what will you get? F dash of g of x into g dash of x. Why, sir? Chain rule. Chain rule. Whenever you have composition of function, you need to apply your chain rule. Otherwise, you're going wrong. Otherwise, you're going wrong. I hope you guys got it. Hello, Swapnil. Welcome, Swapnil. Great to have you. I hope you are following the questions. So now we want to find at A. So people, I'm going to put x equal to A. So let's see what happens. So we have f dash of g of A into g dash of A is equal to 1. What is g dash of A? G dash of A is 5. What is g of A? G of A is B. So this is going to be B. And g dash of A is nothing but 5. And that is equal to 1. So what is my f dash of B? My f dash of B is equal to 1 by 5. So that is what we asked. So that is your answer. As simple as that. Okay. Are you all clear with that? Everybody? Which one, Junaid? What symbol? Exactly. Rohana, you're absolutely right. Very good. Tejaswini, I'm so happy that you have got it. Everybody? Junaid, I am from Chennai. And many people ask the same question, but yeah, I am from Chennai. Okay. Are these questions from mains or advanced? Guys, these are all from mains. These are all from mains. I am not taking anything from advanced. Okay. So let's move forward. I hope you guys enjoyed it. How many of you liked the question? Can you all give me a thumbs up or a yo in the chat quickly? I want to see a lot of excitement. Vignesh, tomorrow I am having KVPY lessons. So please try to be a part of it. Very good, Swapnil. Very good, Rohana, Junaid, Kirito. Awesome. Thank you for responding quick. So guys, let's move forward to the next question which I have for you right on your screen. This is another brilliant question which I want you to try. Please do it. Great, Kapilan. Garv. Very good. Okay. Jasim, it will come with practice, man. You just need to solve more questions. Start off with NCERT and then go to some good questions of previous years. Okay. Very good, SL. That's awesome. So try to solve it. I hope you remember how to do it. Yes, Achyut, I want to know what people are doing. So that is why I keep the chat on. It tells me how people are involved in solving. Very good, Anisha. Anisha, try it out. I'm sure you will be able to solve it because this is a question based on limits. So you just need to know limits to solve this. Let me see if you guys can crack it. Tejaswini is very confident that it is option C. We will check it. Let others also try. People, come on. I'm waiting for your answers. All of you. L'Hopital. L'Hopital is a very good method. Okay. You can do that. L hospital, L'Hopital. That also will work. Guys, come on. How are you all solving? Is everybody on it? So shall I do it for you? Are you giving up so early? Jayavira Kumar, what are you doing? Venisha, are you solving? Your favorite topic has come. Move aside. Okay, yes. Garv is also saying, sir, it is option C. Okay, we will check it. Brilliant. So guys, are you all sure? So shall I solve it, people? Shall I solve it for you, everybody? Okay, very good. Swapnil is saying C. Sonu Singh, very good Sonu Singh. Bhargav, very good Bhargav. I think it is option C, but let me solve it. I'm not too sure. So first of all, what is your continuous at x equal to 0 mean? Continuous at x equal to 0 means my left hand limit at 0 should be equal to functional value at 0 should be equal to my right hand limit at 0. What is functional value at 0? Functional value at 0 is b. Are you all clear? So my LHL, which is left hand limit, and my RHL, which is my right hand limit, both of them should be equal to b. Did you guys get that? That is how we solve it, coming from our conceptual background. Okay, so coming from a very good conceptual standpoint, that is how you approach this question. Everybody cool with it? Good job Kabilan, good job Vaibhavi, Sankalp, brilliant guys. Albert Einstein, awesome. So now I'm going to evaluate my LHL. My LHL is what? Limit extending to 0. We have sine of a plus 2x by x plus sine x by x. And guys, when x tends to 0, what is sine x by x? Do you all understand it is 1? Do you all understand it is 1? And here I will multiply and divide by a plus 2. I will multiply and divide by a plus 2. Why? Because only then this will be 1. Because a plus 2 into x tends to 0. Whenever I have sine of something tending to 0, by the same something tending to 0, that will be 1. So the answer is a plus 2 plus 1, which will be a plus 3. So do you all agree a plus 3 is my left hand limit? Do you all agree that a plus 3 is my left hand limit? Everybody, can you give me a thumbs up if you understood it? Guys, I'm trying to do it step by step so that my 11th standard ninjas are also following. That is why I'm trying to do it a bit slowly. Are you all clear with it? Everybody, please let me know. All of you cool with it? So guys, my LHL is a plus 3 and my functional value is b, and my RHL I need to find out. So RHL is very important. Please listen carefully guys. RHL is very important. Listen carefully. RHL is going to be limit extending to 0. I have x plus 3x square power 1 by 3. So can I take x common? So if I take x common, I'll get x to the power 1 by 3 into 1 plus 3x to the power 1 by 3 minus x to the power 1 by 3 divided by x to the power 4 by 3. So I'm going to take x to the power 1 by 3 and cancel it out with the denominator. So I'll have 1 plus 3x to the power 1 by 3 minus 1 by x. Did you all get that? Everybody cool with it? Everybody cool with it? Now guys, I'm going to do something mind-blowing. I'm going to do something mind-blowing. Listen carefully. Do you all remember this? 1 plus x to the power n is approximately equal to 1 plus nx. Whenever is approximately equal to 1 plus nx. Whenever x is very small. Do you guys remember that? Whenever x is very small, 1 plus x to the power n can be approximated as 1 plus nx. So here x is very small because x tends to 0. So 1 plus x to the power n can be written as 1 plus n into x. That's it. And then you have minus 1 divided by x. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel. 3 cancel. X and x cancel. I'll get 1. So my right hand limit is 1. So my right hand limit is equal to 1. So that means b is equal to 1. A plus 3 equal to 1. So a is equal to minus 2. So a equal to minus 2. B is equal to 1. So it will be minus 2 plus 2 times of 1, which will be under, and that is nothing but option C. Did you all love it? Did you all love it? Everybody? Yes, Anisha, it is absolutely visible, but the reason I didn't reply is because it is not D, Anisha, it is option C. Please check it. I think you might have made some small mistake. How the denominator turns to 0? Where did I say 0, man? Denominator. Where did I say 0? It is not 0, it is x. This is x. X and x will get cancelled. Are you okay with it? Did you guys like it? No, no, Albert Einstein. No, no. That is absolutely not right. We will not use that over here. Okay. Are you guys okay with it? Did you all like this? This was an amazing question, nah? The way we solved it. How the denominator turns to x? Because I will take x to the power 1 by 3. I will cancel off here. So if I cancel off, I have to subtract 1 by 3, nah? So 4 by 3 minus 1 by 3 is 1 only, no? That's how we got it. That's how we got it. Understood? Junaid, I took x to the power 1 by 3 common, nah? That I will cancel off with my denominator, and that is why I get x, Junaid. Understood? So I did that a bit fast. Okay, very good, very good. So Achyut, what I did was I took x common from inside Achyut. So I will get x to the power 1 by 3, and here also I have x to the power 1 by 3. So both of them I am taking it common, Achyut, and I am trying to cancel it off with the denominator. So if I take it common, this is gone. So I am left out with this. That is what I wrote here. And if I take this common, I am left out with minus 1. That's what I left here. And I am cancelling it off with the denominator. So denominator will be x to the power 4 by 3 minus 1 by 3, which will be 1. Got it, Achyut? Are you clear now? Everybody? Yes, Pradeep, I will try to do NCERT questions, but not right now, because right now I am focusing on KVPY from tomorrow. Okay, Pradeep. But after next week, we will see. We can try to incorporate new changes. Okay. Okay, Anisha, no problem. Sonu Singh, definitely we will try to do. Not right now, but in the coming classes, maybe we can think about it. Guys, very similar to the previous one. Very similar. You see, questions repeat in JEE Mains. Don't you think this is exactly similar to the previous question? Look at it. This is 2019. The previous question was 2020. So, questions do repeat. You just have to be ready for it. So, everybody please try to solve it. Now that I taught you how to do the previous one, this question should be a piece of cake. Now that I taught you how to do the previous one, this should be a very easy one. Okay, people, are you all ready? Come on, guys, be quick, be quick. We are almost hitting midnight. Okay, so try to solve it. Come on, I want everybody to do it. Very true, Albert Einstein. Tejaswini is on a roll. Tejaswini, you are awesome because you have got it right. Very good job. That is absolutely correct, Tejaswini. Very good night, Pradeep. Take care, man. All the best. Okay. Chalo. So, guys, what do you mean by continuous at x equal to 0? Continuous at x equal to 0 means LHL at 0 should be equal to f of 0. What is f of 0? The functional value at 0, which is equal to q. And that should be equal to RHL at 0. Are you all fine with that? Hello Sakshi, welcome. Very nice to see you. Very good Anisha. Anisha, now you have got it. I'm so happy that you have understood it. Vaibhavi, that's perfectly correct. Now guys, please listen carefully because I'm going to explain it to all the others. Because this is the second type of question based on the same format. Very good Sonu, that's absolutely right. So please listen carefully. What is your LHL? Your LHL, let's try to calculate it. LHL will be what? Limit extending to 0. We have sine of p plus 1x plus sine x by x. Isn't that correct? So what is sine x by x? Sine x by x is going to be 1. And here, why is it 1? Because x is tending to 0. So sine of something tending to 0 by the same something tending to 0 is always equal to 1. Got it? Now here, I have sine of something tending to 0. I should have the same something on the denominator also. I should have the same something on the denominator also. So what should I do? I should multiply and divide by p plus 1. So this is going to be 1. So p plus 1 into 1 is p plus 1 plus 1. That is my left hand limit. Are you all clear? A very good morning, dear students. We have crossed midnight. It's 12:01. The invincible. Don't worry about it. Guys, it's very natural. Take it casually. Your worry will only worsen it. Okay. So don't worry. Don't overthink. You will do well. And I'll try to help you tomorrow, the day after, and on Saturday. Okay. So guys, can we come back to this question? Are you all clear with it? Everybody? Thank you, Sakshi. That means a lot. That is so sweet of you. Very good, guys. Very good. Awesome. So, P plus 2 is my LHL. And what is my functional value? Functional value is Q. Now, I should find my RHL. So, same way, for RHL, Achyut, what I'll do is, I will take root x common. If I take root x common, I'll have root of 1 plus x minus 1 divided by x into root x. Because x to the power 3 by 2 is x into root x. So this root x and this root x will cancel. Now I'll have to solve this. Okay. So how will I do that? Can I say it is 1 plus x to the power half minus 1 by x. Now I told you, Achyut, whenever x is very small and you have 1 plus x to the power n, it is almost equivalent to 1 plus nx. Whenever x is very small. So it's going to be what? It's going to be 1 plus 1 by 2x minus 1 by 2. By x. So this x and this x will cancel. 1 and 1 will get cancelled. So the right hand limit is half. So the right hand limit is equal to half. So q is equal to half and p is equal to minus 3 by 2. So which is going to be option D. Did you guys like that? Everybody, did you all like it? Hello Nashiket. Perfect, perfect. So are you all clear with it? Everybody, did you all like the way we solved it? You guys have any doubt? Very good, Albert Einstein. That's awesome. Brilliant, Sakshi. That's good. Hello Nashiket. Very good, Yash. Yash, I hope you're following, man. Thank you, Pradeep. A very happy Thursday, Alva Kavya. Thank you. Very good, Adnan. Adnan, I hope you're enjoying the sessions. And guys, we will conclude with that. And I will get some homework questions here for you guys. So these are the homework questions which I want you to solve. And guys, please comment it down below. I see that not many are letting me know what answers these questions have. Okay, so please, Venisha, I just skipped 2 questions. I want you to solve it and you can let me know in the comment section and we will do it together in the next one. Okay. So guys, can you all please let me know what doubts you have? I'll try to clarify it one by one. regarding KVPY, regarding your JEE Mains, regarding your NCRT. If you have any questions, please let me know right now so that I can help you with that. Yes? Okay, Sonu, I'm so happy that you are enjoying. If you have any questions, let me know. So Sakshi, the homework questions I will show you right now. Please have a look at it and then we will try to do it in the comment section. Okay, so this is the first homework question. Totally you'll have 6 homework questions, guys. I'll show you one by one. Please note it down. This is the first question and this is the second one. It is again very similar to what we did earlier. So instead of continuity, they have differentiability over here. Okay? Yes, Jai Veera Kumar, that is more than enough. And this is going to be again a similar question, but this is based on your differentiability. So you have to find derivative and then solve it. Again, a simple question. Got it? Perfect. And this is the next one. So this is trigonometry because you need to substitute something for x. So you need to put x is equal to tan theta and only then you can solve it. Again, a very good question. You guys can try to do it. And finally, we have another question based on trigonometry and derivatives. Try to solve it. Okay. Venisha, I didn't understand. Can you please tell me what happened? Can you please tell me what happened? The PDF is messed in the sense? No. Venisha, it's always these questions which are the homework. I give a clear bifurcation. This is the homework question. Okay. So that is a clear bifurcation. These 2 questions are what I plan to discuss today, but it's time already, so I don't want to spend too much. We'll move to the next one because I want to take up some questions which your friends have for me. Okay, so let's do that. Yes, guys, please tell me what is your doubt. I think this time I will not get all answers correct, but I'll try my best. Yes, Anisha, I will wait for your comment. Yes, Swapnil, tomorrow 4 o'clock I will take a session. Venisha, I just told you. Venisha, after I wrote homework, that is the actual homework which you have to do. That will not have solution. That will not have solution. Got it? I hope you understood it. The one before that homework, that is what I was supposed to do today. I took those questions to discuss with you, but I want to take a few questions of your students, of your friends. So that is why I concluded it because it's already 12:15. Okay. My question is how many marks to make 99 percentile? 99 percentile, you need to score around 170, 180. You need to score around 170, 180. Yes, Swapnil, take care, man. All the best. Junaid, yes, I will definitely be waiting for you. Join it tomorrow. How to manage time? So Albert Einstein, like I said, you need to give priority to your coaching or you need to give priority to your Vedantu's classes because they are the regular classes. See, always regular classes will take more priority. As simple as that. Are you able to follow? Regular classes will take more priority and then comes everything. Your YouTube should be second priority. Got it? Yes, Swapnil, thank you, man. Thank you, Sakshi. That means a lot. After homework question slide, only crash course slide is there. Yes, Venisha, homework questions I will not give you solution. Only questions I give. See, Venisha, you have 5 questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you have the crash course. Correct only, No, what do you want? You want solutions for homework questions. Is that what you're asking? You let me know in Instagram. You tell me what you want exactly. I will help you out. Okay. Don't worry, Venisha. I will help you out. See, homework questions will not have solution. Because I want you to do it. You have to comment it down below. Got it? In today's PDF, solutions are given. Okay. I'll check it. Maybe it was a mistake. Okay. I'll check it. So Anisha says it is not given. Thank you, Optus. Thank you, guys. So with that, we will conclude our session. I hope you guys had a great time. In case you want to join the crash course, please check out the link which is shared over there, because guys, the crash course is now offered at a 30% discount, 7,000 rupees only, and that is for 5 months. And I'll be handling your batches for the crash course, some of the classes. And if you want to be there, use this coupon code and click on the link which is pinned above. The pinned message will have the link. You can use this coupon code and get a 7,000 rupees off, because the crash course, guys, it's available for 5 months for this price. It's incredible. Okay. Yes, Albert Einstein, I spoke about it, na? I told you give priority to your coaching and Vedantu's classes because they are regular. And apart from that, do your lab. And when you have time, when you have a doubt, then attend YouTube sessions. That is how you should go about it. Okay. So guys, take care. All the very best. We will meet again in the next session tomorrow at 4 o'clock. And if you want to be a part of this group, this YouTube channel, join us in Telegram. And also don't forget to subscribe so that you stay notified. Okay. So people, all the very best. Take care. A very, very good night. And I hope you have a great day tomorrow. That is today. Bye-bye guys. See you. Chalo. Take care. So just click on the subscribe button, Pradeep. That's all you need to do. Okay. Okay guys. Take care. Bye-bye.